Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I've just recorded this intro. It was zoomed into 25 on the camera, so I think you wouldn't have seen that much, so I'm recording it again. So I'm going out for a family meal for my sister's birthday. It's a birthday today, and we're booked to go to Pizza Hut, so we're going to go there, and I want to keep my eyeshadow very minimal. My makeup in general is very minimal today, so I thought I would use this Colourpop Super Shock by Raw Beauty Kristi in the shade Like a Moss. Karen recently got me this and it came last week. I've already done the friend mail and that's up on the channel with everything that she got me, but I'll link it to this video. So I thought I could wear that. And this palette as well, I've never wore it. I've done swatches of it, so it's the Good as Gold. I ordered it back in May, at the end of May, so it probably would have come around second week in June, and I've still not used it yet, and I thought it would be really complimentary towards this. I don't have long, guys. I've not even got half an hour. I'm supposed to be at my mum's like between 2:30 and 3:15, so I'm already late. I'm just gonna put my phone up so it can charge. Right, so yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Let's get some brushes out. So I'm not putting any tape on today. I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to keep it really minimal. My sister hates bright colours on me. So since it's her day, I will keep it as minimal as I can. Right, I think that'll do for now. Right, so let's go into the Good as Gold palette. So this is going to be a first experience with this, and don't worry, I will be doing more looks, but probably not for a while. Today was supposed to be the start of my Lilac You a Lot. I pulled it out for the Shop My Stash, so the next Shop My Stash is probably going to go up 3 days later, because I'm sure it's due tomorrow to go up. So it's going to go up late is what I'm trying to say. This eye look here will go up before the Lilac You a Lot does. So this is what the palette looks like. It's perfect for Christmas, isn't it? I think I'm going to start... Let's have a look at this Like a Moss Super Shock, just to get an idea of the colour story. Right, so that's what that Super Shock looks like. Right, we'll go in with State of Mind. That one first. I'll go in with my Morphe fluffy brush. I don't know where my colour switch is. That's a problem when you tidy up. No, it's not behind me. Anyway, let's not worry about that. So I'm just going to go in to the transition area. Don't have a clue what lipstick to wear. I did want to wear red, but I'm going to be eating, so that's not practical. And then what I'll do is I'll get my niece to take a picture when I'm at my sister's, and I'll add that into the video later on, or I might ask her to do a video and just basically show you what I'm wearing. Oh, I've gone in with a different shade. Not ready for that yet. Right, so that's done. Let's get a different brush now. I'll go in with the Morphe oval brush. I'm just wiping it on my dressing gown. So don't mind that I'm still in my dressing gown, I've just not long got out of the shower. So now then we're going to go in with Trooper, that mustard shade there. And I'm just putting that directly underneath in the crease. And I'm really going to build it up. So my sister did approve of my makeup for the date that I went on the other day. She said I look really nice, so that's something. So hopefully she'll approve of this. Right, so we'll leave it like that, and then I want to deepen the edge out with a brown, I think. So back in with Trooper on the left eye. I'm really looking forward to going out with the fam. We've not been out for ages as a family. I mean, we've had takeaways together, but a family meal, I think the last time we went out was for my mum's 60th, and she's 71 now, so that's how long ago it was. And my mum said that she wanted to do this when she was able to, when she was out of isolation. So this is perfect that my sister's birthday has fallen. Obviously it falls the same day every single year, but the fact that my mum can, sorry, I thought I'd stop recording. The fact that my mum is out of isolation now as well is great. So I think I'm gonna go in with this really nice brown here. It's called Bold Rush. I'll use the same brush. We're just gonna put it in the outer V and probably run it through the lash line as well. Oh, that has blended out really nice. And I'm not going to put it all through because she's bound to say something about that if I do. Gorgeous. Blended out really nicely. This is a gorgeous palette. Need to pull it out soon. Like I said, it would make a really nice Christmas palette, and I'm sure that girl Shay XO said that it was a holiday release because she did eye swatches on it, and she was the one that kind of, I wanted it, but I saw her eye swatches and I wanted it even more, and that's why I ordered it. Right, so now we're gonna go in with the Raw Beauty Kristi Super Shock, and I'm probably, I don't know if to, let's put some glitter glue down because it is really sheer. I've swatched it and that's how I know that. Let me just go and get it. Right, so I'm just using my Too Faced glitter glue, the one that I always use. I'm about halfway done with this glitter glue. I'll have to get a new one. But I like to use like my primers and glitter glues first before I buy a new one, before I bring a new one into the collection. So look at how beautiful that shade is, guys. So again, it's called Like a Moss. I'm gonna just put it on with my finger now, I think. Really gonna put my finger in there. Oh yeah, I think that's made it much more pigmented than it would have been. I think it's just a topper because it is really sheer. It's nice though. I'm just going to keep adding and adding until I'm happy with the pigmentation. Oh yeah, it's definitely building up now. That's pretty. Right, we'll do the left eye, and then if I want to I can always add more on. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Right, we'll leave it like that. Let's see what we can do for inner corners. We'll try 24K. This is a Super Shock. Try that. Other than that, there's not really much we could do. Need a brush. Okay, we'll Try putting it on with this accent brush. Oh yeah. It's quite deep though. Right, and then we'll go back in with that bold rush shade, the dark brown I used for the outer V, and we'll just put that on the lash line and wing it out to meet that outer V. Right, and then I want, where are you? I want to put this on the brow bone. It's just like a cream crayon, but it's like a luminescent one. It's in the shade Luminous Beige, and it's by Miss Sporty, and it's the Pump Up Booster called Kajal. Could have even put this in the inner corners. I'm living for this eye look today, guys. What do you think? I need to get my mascara. Let's just choose a lippy while I'm up. I don't know what to wear. Maybe Bedtime Flirt by NYX. Okay, let's see. Right, I'm going to put the mascara on first. So it's just the Essence of False Lashes. Take the lip oil off. Yeah, and I think I'm going to wear this NYX lingerie in Bedtime Flirt. Keep it pretty neutral all over. I would have liked to wear a red lipstick, but it's just going to smear everywhere, so I'm not going to do that. Right guys, so this is the overall finished look. So this is the eyeshadow. I really like how it's turned out. I really love that Supershock. It's absolutely stunning. It's almost like a duochrome. It's got like golden brown reflex in it. And it goes really nice with that Good as Gold palette, so I'll remember that for future reference. The lipstick is not my first choice, but yeah, I do think it looks really nice. Let me know your thoughts down below. So I'm wearing these earrings. They're a bit long, but do you remember, if you're a regular watcher, you'll know I had some similar in, like, there was blue, there was a little bit shorter than this, and I lost them. I lost one of them in the rain, and my mum went to Matalan and got me these, so I'm wearing them as well. And then I've got my little necklace from Pandora. It's got all Disney in it. So we've got Minnie there, Mickey shorts, Mickey's hand, Minnie and Mickey there, and a love here. So it's just basically a Mickey and Minnie necklace. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it's really pretty, so I thought I would wear that today as well. So this is the overall look. Like I said, I will put a picture or a video of what I'm wearing full length, but you can pretty much see everything what I'm wearing here. I'm wearing leather jeggings on my bottoms, and I just need to sort some shoes out. I need to go now, guys, so I'll love you and leave you, and I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye.